Today project is the saying the silent, right? This is 2S series, and then this one is 5S. So this silent mainspring was broken like this. Okay, so I wanna take off the mainspring from here, and then I wanna install to here, because this one is some condition is not good cosmetically. Also, I have another silent black one, so that platen around here something wrong. So I want to try to cut this part to move to the another black silent. So this is totally exists for the other typewriter. Okay, it's I think it's a regular font. Looks like Elite, so that's why. Okay, let's see. The previous owner told me he found this one in the basement. It's a long time. He stayed there, the basement. Okay. To remove the without remove any outside. Take off this one, and then inside the mainspring, I think it looks good. Yeah, a little bit different. It's very useful tool, this one. So to set up the lowercase, uppercase, adjust to this one. Yeah, we need this one. It's called 3/16. And then unscrew this one. This. Okay. Do the different, right? Do this one, and then take off this one. And let's see. And little bit different. So how can I do that? I decided to take up the mainspring and then put the here. That's the maybe better way. Right away. And then this one to this. That means this one goes there. Then this one goes here. And then this one somewhere like this. Okay. Because the size is a little different, so it does not fit. So we need to take off the real hard metal spring for the new house other silent. Maybe they got the solution. I don't know this part. How can I put here? Somewhere like this. Because there is one screw, so I think like this, something like that. So I want to make sure, because I have already another Corona standard, oh, scratched, another Corona standard typewriter, this one. I didn't review this one. This one is a long time ago. I got this one free because at that time I bought the wire record player and then another triple old stuff for the construction. So at that time I got this one. So this one like that. Ah, I see. So to protect this part, without actually I don't need to remove this part to take off this one, but that was very hard, so that's why I removed that. I see, I know that. So put here and then put here. Okay, easy part. I got it. All right, very easy part. So like this, right? Yeah, like this to protect that, and then put this one to the. This roll is the ribbon spool. Block the turn the other way. Only one way turn, like this way, not this way. To block. So that's why I see. When I bought this one, the seller tell us about the mainspring. She mentioned I needed to refill mainspring. So I don't know how long we are waiting for this repair stuff. Now they are full set. Okay, just we need to connect the mainspring. Okay, this is the means around here we need a hole to put this one to the mainspring. Put here, right? So okay, this is enough. Okay, so this is enough. One more, couple more like this. Sometimes it's very hard to put the draw code, but I think this one is not that hard. Okay, and then make sure this is enough, and then cut the here and with this part like this, and then this knob should be go to there. You can see should be go to there, this knob like this. So it's enough, or maybe you need more. What is the tap? I think that's enough. Yeah. Okay. Whew. Finally I got this one. Okay. And this one, then maybe this one. Okay. We need a little bit more clean, and then let's see some paper. Why it's not there? See? Okay. Oh. Wow. it. Maybe something wrong there. 이게 잘못됐네. See. Okay. Very strange situation. Let's see. I see. 그러면 이게 두개 온 거. Okay, I realize what's wrong. For this part, I used a little bit longer screw. That's why continually it was stuck some place, but right now it's okay, perfect. So see here, it should be almost even, this part. So right now there's no very small stuff here. That's the block, the screw, because it's over this panel. That's why it's continually stuck. But right now it's okay. For tap, yeah, right margin stop. Before, this is stop one time. Right now, it's working everything okay. Finally, okay. Let's see the one more. The test. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Let's see. All right, perfect. I need to clean and then more, and then I put back this one again, and then I can make another video explain everything. All right, good. Right now, rain a lot outside. Let's see. Yeah, that's good because we need rain. Yeah. So finally I finished this one, clean and then ready to sample typing. First I sorted the you can change this main string from the 5 series silent to the 2S series silent, but this size is different. Also the holding the mainspring leg, the degree is different, so does not fit this one to here. So I took out, and then from the hard metal spring from here, take out to put the original the case into there. So after that it was works, and then during the input, I mean the replace this one, I used the long screw, a little bit longer one. That's why it was continually stuck around here, around that time, because there was a little bit pop up the screw. So I changed the shorter one, I mean the correct one. After that, it's good. So yeah, burgundy, silent. It was manufactured 1930, I think 1936, or yeah, 36 or 38, I think 36. So it's a very old one, but very nice. Let's see the sample typing. It's raining, so what should I typing about the rain? About let the rain wash all the pain of yesterday. Good. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.